Here's how to change products on TurboTax. So most of you are probably looking to downgrade or move to a cheaper product or a free product. I'll show you how to do all of that. In the lower left-hand corner, you're going to find switch products. And then you're going to see upgrade, you might see downgrade, and you're definitely going to see clear and start over. I'm going to go ahead and click upgrade so we can look at the products. This is how we can switch. We can switch up and down the list here, or if you're in this tab over here, same thing, up and down the list here. So if you're in the do-it-yourself, deluxe, or premium, you're going to see the downgrade button. It'll let you downgrade to free. If you're over here in the Real Experts Help You assisted mode, then you might see a downgrade button if you're on deluxe or premium, but that only downgrades you to basic. It does not downgrade you to free, which you still could start over for free. And so that's how you can kind of go through those. We can upgrade by clicking on one of these. Now I'm on the deluxe version. You can check your product here in the price preview up there, and you're going to see that I'm on the deluxe do-it-yourself version. And then I have the downgrade button, so I can downgrade to TurboTax Free if I want to. That might say downgrade to basic for you, and if it does, then you're going to have to clear and start over. So you can downgrade to free right here, or clear and start over, and I'll show you how to start your taxes for free and only upgrade when you absolutely need to. Also, last thing, if you do have to clear and start over and you've already done a lot of your return, you can go to Tax Tools and you can go to Print Center to maybe preview your return. You might be able to download it. You might be able to print it so that you can see all the information you entered. That might be a little bit helpful anyway. But you do have to clear all your tax data to clear and start over and change to that free edition. So that's how you change products up or down, whether you're on the assisted mode or the do-it-yourself mode. But if you're struggling to change to free, then you start over, clear and start over. You say got it here, and then you say nothing here. So don't check mark anything. This is just a survey to recommend you products. So we're going to hit continue. And we're also going to say we're comfortable doing our own taxes because we want them to recommend the cheapest product, which is the free version, the do-it-yourself plan, free. And so it's going to say start for $0. Not everyone qualifies all the way to file a simple tax return and actually file for free, but 37% of people or so do. So we can start for $0. Doesn't matter if you, I would start for $0, even though I know I'm going to have to upgrade. And so I filed my own taxes last year. Now you start to fill these out however you need to fill it out, and then hit continue, and you're going to be able to start your taxes. And now the price preview in the upper right-hand corner is going to say that you're on the TurboTax Free Edition. So we click on that, it's going to open up, and we're going to see we're on the do-it-yourself free edition, currently $0. And so as you work through your taxes, if there is a situation that applies to you that requires an upgrade, then that's when you can upgrade. And you can pick the cheapest one at that point. And so for me, I know that when I get going through here in my federal taxes, when I'm filling out income, I'm going to say yes to a question that says, did you earn any self-employed income or something like that? And at that point, I have to file, or TurboTax files a Schedule C form, and they say to file those extra forms, you have to upgrade. So I will probably upgrade to the deluxe do-it-yourself, which is basically the next cheapest up. And I'll always just choose whatever the cheapest one is, unless I'm someone who needs that extra help or wants that person there that I can chat with and ask questions to. That's what those other products are for. So that is how to change products on TurboTax. Hopefully that helped you. If you do have to pay anything, there is a 20% discount in the link in the description or the top comment. It is an affiliate link that helps support this channel, but you get 20% of anything that you have to pay for. So hopefully that helps. Hopefully I'm able to save you a little bit of money, and hopefully you guys were able to change products and maybe just downgrade pretty easily to free. That's how to change products on TurboTax.